Now, here we will discuss geometrical isomerism. In case of geometrical isomerism, it is 3D study of compound in a space. That is, it is classified, geometrical isomerism are classified into two types. One is cis isomerism and one is trans isomerism. Cis means same side, same phase. Trans, opposite side, opposite phase. Here cis form, that is coordination number is 4, and in this cis form we will discuss in different examples like Ma2B2 type. Ma2B2 type means here 4 ligands are there, so that we will discuss only for 4 ligand in case of cis isomerism. Ma2B2 can be represented here. MAA are on the same side, BB are on the same side. That is said to be cis isomerism. In case of trans, see here, AA same ligand are diagonally with each other. Similarly, BB are diagonally with each other. Therefore, they are said to be trans isomerism. Right? For example, I have given platinum NH32Cl2. This is the complex, that is diamine dichlorido platinum 2, and here diamine dinitrito N palladium 2. This complex you have to write in a cis and trans form. Then we will discuss is in the next video. Here type second, that is Ma2BC. Again here 4 ligand, A2BC 4 ligand. They are arranged in the form of cis as well as trans. See here, I have written M metal coordinate bond with AA are on the same side. Here AA are on the diagonal. So that is said to be same side means cis, opposite side trans. So that is also explained here with example given. I have given PTBrCl NH3 twice. So NH3 twice 2 ligand, Cl1 3 ligand, Br1 4 ligand. So total 4 ligands are there. So these ligands are arranged as shown above. So that is the type of Ma2BC and represented in terms of cis and trans form. That is also homework for you. Now type third, here all 4 ligands are different, that is MABCD, and whatever charge is there to stabilize. Here MABCD are also represented, but it is represented at different types. That is said to be isomer. Here these isomer are represented here MABCD, here ABCD. Similarly here ABDC. Changing the place to get the different structure, that is isomerism. In third one, see here M metal bonded with BCDA, same representation as shown here. You have to represent this formula given, that is platinum BrCl NH3 and pyrimidine. So this is the 4 ligand which are different, they are attached to the one platinum, right? So you have to write this and then expressed as shown above. Now here there is a 6 ligands are there. The 6 ligands are there. They are represented in a geometrical isomerism as see here Ma4B2. Ma4B2 means here see these are represented, total 6 ligands are there. So metal M which linked with AAA, then BBB, they are on the same side, then it is said to be cis. Similarly here metal with AA, but there is a B ligand in between, so that is said to be trans isomerism. So cis isomerism and trans isomerism, when same phase, same side, then it is said to be cis. If they are in opposite side, then it is said to be trans. Similarly, example is given, you have to represent in terms of cis and trans. Cobalt Cl2 NH34 with plus charge, you have to write in the cis form as well as trans form. Then second type here Ma3B3 Ma3B3 are represented here, metal with 3A, A are on the same side, and then B are on the same side. Similarly here, A, A, B, they are on the different phase. So here when same ligand are on the same phase, that is said to be cis isomerism or facial isomerism. Cis or facial. But if they are in different, then it is said to be trans or meridional. Trans or meridional. 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 Meridional means opposite phase. Facial, facial, facial isomer. Facial isomer in which what happen, in which there is a same phase, right? So